Yeah, so I'm going to show you how we're going to pull the perfect cup of espresso. I prefer the medium roast, actually a darkish medium roast of our coffee. So we're going to load this up on this Lelit machine, and we're going to grind this. The grind has been adjusted perfectly. So you can either get our roast, we actually grind it for you, or you can, if you have your own machine, you can do this. So just make sure the you got a damper as well. So make sure you just damp this coffee so it's all set. And then we're just going to make sure it's the temperature is about 100 degrees. So you should have a good amount of steam. So we just, not that we're going to use this, but yeah, I like to just test it out, make sure everything is okay. The setting there. We're going to now put in the setup. Okay, and then we start the pump basically. So we're going to send about 7-8 bars of pressured water, heated pressured water. There's a pump that heats the water, and basically you send it out here. As the extraction is complete, the color of the coffee will basically change. So that's when you get to stop.